Looking to gain weight healthily? This simple guide will break down the easy steps you need to follow to reach your weight goals. People want to gain weight for different reasons. Maybe you need to improve your overall health, or perhaps you want to build more muscle mass. Whatever your reason, a smart diet is essential. The most important rule for weight gain is the calorie surplus. Let's find out what that means. In simple terms, a calorie surplus means you need to consume more calories than your body uses up each day. It's like putting more fuel into your car than it burns while driving. Your body constantly burns calories just to stay alive. If you eat just enough, your weight stays the same. To gain weight, you must consistently eat extra calories. Now, how do you eat enough without feeling too full? It's all about how often you eat and how big your portions are. Instead of 3 huge meals, aim for 5 or 6 smaller meals or snacks throughout the day. This helps you get those extra calories without feeling overly stuffed at one time. Try adding a little extra to each meal. An extra spoon of rice, a bigger piece of chicken, or another slice of bread. Small increases quickly add up to significant extra calories. When you're trying to gain weight, choose foods that pack a lot of calories and nutrients into a small serving size. Healthy fats are your friends. Foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil are high in calories and essential nutrients. Add them to your meals and snacks. Protein is crucial for building muscle mass. Include sources like eggs, lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils in almost every meal. Carbohydrates give you energy and are great for weight gain. Focus on quality options like whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and potatoes. Sometimes it's easier to drink calories or grab a quick, calorie-packed snack. Let's look at some smart options. Quick snacks are lifesavers. Think peanut butter on whole wheat toast, a handful of dried fruit, or mixing nuts into your yogurt. These are quick ways to add calories. Liquids are less filling than solid food. Healthy smoothies or protein shakes made with milk, bananas, and peanut butter are excellent calorie boosters. Even just drinking milk throughout the day helps. Remember that gaining weight healthily means combining this diet with lifestyle habits. Strength training helps turn those extra calories into muscle, not just fat. And good sleep supports recovery and growth. Gaining weight takes time and effort. Be consistent with your eating habits, track your progress, and adjust your calorie intake slowly. You'll reach your healthy weight goals.